In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report an issue in Midjourney. Whether you ran into a technical glitch, saw content that breaks the rules, or just need to flag a specific image, there's a quick way to do it right inside Discord. Start by opening Discord and going to your conversation with the Midjourney bot. This is where the bot sends your generated images, and it's the place you'll file the report from. If you have a lot of chats, use the search bar to find the bot quickly. Make sure you're in the exact thread that contains the image you want to report, so the right message is selected. Next, find the image message you want to flag. Move your mouse over the image or the message area to reveal the message controls. On desktop, small icons will appear. On mobile, a tap or a press and hold on the message usually shows the same options. Look toward the upper right corner of that image message for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More. Click More to open the context menu for that specific message. This menu applies to the image you are looking at and gives you options related to that item. From that menu, choose Report Message. This opens Discord's reporting flow and attaches your report to the exact Midjourney output you selected. Follow the on-screen prompts to submit your report. Keep your explanation clear and factual. Briefly state what happened, why it's an issue, and any relevant context like the prompt or visible artifacts. There's no need to include personal data, just enough detail to help the team understand the problem. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Be sure you're reporting the original Midjourney image message, not a reply or a screenshot. If the three dots aren't visible, try hovering again, expanding the image, or updating the Discord app. When multiple images were generated at once, pick the specific message that best demonstrates the issue so the report points to the correct item. If you ever need to reference the case later, it helps to note the message timestamp or copy the message link from the same menu for your records. Also, give it a moment after submitting and avoid sending duplicate reports for the same image. Once you submit, the report is sent through Discord and the appropriate team can review it. That's all there is to it. Open your chat with the Midjourney bot, locate the image, click the three dots to open More and select Report Message. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly and accurately flag any issues you encounter.